Welcome back to this section. Okay, for this section, we'll be seeing how to insert your stacked column charts. All right, so this is simply what that is. So we have any of them here. We can use any of them. I'm just going to use this guy here, stack column charts. So it's almost like the column chart you used before. So let's see this now. So I have this now. I want to compare the products. I have drag the product to the x-axis. Okay, then drag the sales to the y-axis. All right. So this gives me the one I already saw, the first column chart. To move it to the stock column chart, you move the next value column, like a column that has number. You take first one was sales. So let's take profit. All right, take the profit down to your y-axis. Okay, so you have this now. Now you see you have 2 points now. The thick blue color stands for the sales. All right, the sum of the sales, while the light blue color stands for the profit. Okay, so you can see that for Pasco products, they made lots of sales on lot of sales. Then it dropped down to the Carretera. All right, so you can just compare it here. Then you can also decide to change. Let's format this thing. You can decide to change the colors. So come to the slide, the columns. You can change the color. I want to change this guy to, what color do I want to use right now? What color do I want to use right now? I'm going to use, so you see, first of all, it wasn't coming up because it was on all right, so it means everything will be the same color. So change it to sum of profit. I want to change profit to, let's say yellow. All right, so we have yellow. So you can change the color to as much as you want. Change whatever you want. You can also change it to, let's say this color is your choice. All right, so, and also the same formatting we did for the other one for column chart. You can also apply the same formatting. Don't worry about this formatting. There's something I'm going to teach you that works for all of them. You don't have to format all the time. You can copy and paste. Okay, that was simple. You can also add more. I want to add discount. Okay, come back to the dashboard, add discount. So I'll take discount here and bring it to the y-axis too. Keep it there. So you see you have discount too. You see you can increase as much as you want. You can keep adding as much as you want. So this is how to play with column charts, with the stack column charts. That is very simple. Don't forget to ask your questions whenever you want. Okay, that was a beautiful one. Now let's move on to the next one.